Hello my lovelies. So today I've created this beautiful Karwachauth makeup tutorial. It's a dewy finish skin and very subtle soft glam look. It's perfect for the festive season and stay with me to see how I've created this look. I'm prepping my skin with a moisturizer. Next I'm taking a concealer to conceal the upper lid of my eye. I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and with a warm brown shade I am just contouring the crease line. Now I'm gonna go over the same line with this orangey brick shade and just blending it onto the crease line. Using this matte brown shade I'm just defining the outer corner of my eye. Next I'm using this bronze pigment and applying it with my finger to give the intensity I need. For the soft glittery effect, I'm using this liquid glitter by Forever 52 and just blending it with my fingertip. It's a beautiful rusted gold and I absolutely love the shade. For the eyeliner, I'm using Kat Von D liner pen and just creating a wing liner effect. Using the same shade that I used for the crease line, I'm just defining the lower lash line. Now time for the mascara. I'm using Loreal mascara and drawing a very thick coat on the upper and lower lash line. It just instantly opens up the eye. And of course, my favorite pair of lashes to finish off the eye. Next for the skin, I'm using Gorgio Armani foundation. This is a beautiful foundation. It gives a subtle dewy finish to the skin. I'm just taking off the excess product with a damp beauty blender. Now I'm taking a concealer from Nars in the shade Ginger to brighten up the under eye, nose and chin area. And with the same beauty blender, I'm blending off the excess product. To set my face, I'm using L'Oreal Mercier setting powder, baking under the eye and setting the face with a fluffy brush. Now I'm just brushing off the excess product with this small brush. I love using a highlighter in the inner corner of my eye. It just brightens up the eye. For the brow, I'm using this Benefit eyebrow pencil. Now time for contouring and I'm using Hoola by Benefit and contouring my cheeks, hairline and nose. I'm gonna use this Nars blusher in the shade Dolce Vita and just applying it onto the apple of my cheek. For the highlighter, I'm using Amrezy highlighter by ABH and just highlighting the cheekbones, nose and Cupid's bow. I'm also using the same highlighter for the brow bone area. For the lips, I chose a lovely nude shade by PAC for the soft glam look. And this finishes the makeup. But hold on, to complete this look, I'm wearing my beautiful red Banarasi. And now I'm gonna accessorize myself wearing a beautiful choker, a pair of kundan earrings, the mandatory red bangles for Karwachauth, sindoor of course, and there you go. My look is complete and I absolutely love this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you have any queries, please drop a message. I shall definitely get back to you with the answer. Wishing you happy Karwachauth. Bye. Mwah.